The next one is select from order by ascending. And then after that, we'll probably have order by descending. And they want those names entered into the database. So these are the names we want entered into the database. So I'm going to come back here, just make sure I'm recording, and just move this over so I could see them. And I'm going to create a new table. So I'm going to do a create table, and I'm going to call this table workers, and create table workers. Oops, that's not what I wanted. Create table workers. Boom. And what did I do wrong? I needed something, right? Create table workers. Data type, worker ID, int, primary key, not null. Worker first, text, not null. Worker last, text, not null. Cool. And now details of worker, or details of all my tables, and then details of workers. And now I'm going to insert into workers, WID, W first, W last, values, and we've got 1, Max, Jones, 2, Dennis, Jones, 3, Daniel, Jones, 4, Mike, Smith, 5, Marcy, 6, Adam, Smith, and Max. I forgot the things around Max. Quotes. Cool, now I've got my things I need select. And I want W first. Or I could just do star from workers. And I need to use distinct. I'm going to take that out of this one. Is that an example? 119. Select distinct. No, it's not in there. I'm taking distinct out. Select star from workers. Order by. W last. Descending. Order by. W last, descending, order by, W first, ascending. Oh, one order by. Order by W last descending, W first ascending. So it ordered by last name descending, Smith came before Jones, and then it did first name ascending, Adam, Marcy, Mike, first name ascending, Daniel, Dennis, Max, first name ascending. So that would be the screenshot for that assignment. Awesome.